Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
On Friday, when the 16-year-old left her home in Kirra village of Bulandshahr district, little did she and her family members know that that would be the last that they would hear or see of her. The print is standing at the exact spot where the 16-year-old Dalit girl from Bulandshahr, district of Uttar Pradesh, was found dead Friday noon. Her family members have told us that after completing the entire household work, she left for her tuition classes, her English tuition classes in Khurja around 7 kilometers from here around 1 pm Friday noon. Couple of minutes later, a number of villagers went running to her house to inform her family members that she was found lying unconscious at this very spot where we are standing right now. Behind me is the spot where the 16-year-old Dalit girl was found. Somebody from the village alerted the police officials here who came down and took the girl to the nearby hospital. But it was too late by then and she was declared brought in dead. The postmortem report of the deceased girl does not mention anything about sexual assault, but is said that she succumbed to an injury to the left of her head with a blunt object. Her parents have told us that there was no blood found on her body and they've said that she must have suffered a massive head injury.
7 मिनट पर वहाँ वारदात हो गई। गांव वालों ने आकर गांव बताया, तब फिर घर पर खबर पड़ी, फिर वहाँ से मैं खुर्जा था, वहाँ फ़ोन किया गया, तब पता पड़ी। पुलिस आई, पुलिस ले गई जी अस्पताल।
अच्छा, किसी ने पुलिस को फोन किया?
जी, अस्पताल उन्होंने चेक किया, ले से बोले ये तो मृतक है। अब ट्यूशन के लिए गए, स्कूल के लिए कम से कम 50 लड़की जाती हैं यहाँ से। स्कूल बंद चल रहे हैं, इसलिए वो ट्यूशन के लिए जाती थी। शौक कुछ नहीं, ये पढ़ने का अच्छा शौक था जी उसमें, पढ़ाई पढ़ने में बहुत होशियार थी। जी चलता क्या है, करना पड़ता, सियानी बुटिया थी, कुछ वो काम करो, ढूंढ डंगा वो चली गई, अब परेशान है।
ताकि पढ़ाई वागी
साइकिल लेके जाती थी, पैदल?
कल बाद ना तो पैदल ही गई, साइकिल में ब्रेक नहीं।
7 किलोमीटर पैदल जाती है?
नहीं, ऑटो मिल जाते हैं हाईवे पे।
हाईवे से खुर्जा तक ना।
Over 48 hours since the alleged murder, the accused are still at large. A case has been registered under IPC Section 302 for murder. Her school bag, books and mobile phone are with the police. Forensic reports are awaited. Sources said that around 12 men have been identified as suspects, but nothing concrete has been found against any of them. All of them are known to the girl and are from Kirra and other nearby villages. 6 teams have been formed to nab the accused. SSP Bulandshahr Santosh Kumar Singh said,
एक चश्मदीद मिला जिसने बताया कि एक लाल टी शर्ट वाला व्यक्ति जो है इसको गिरा करके फिर भागते हुए उसके द्वारा देखा गया। इस सूचना पे हमारी पुलिस टीम ने और हम लोगों ने पीछा किया। घटनास्थल से लगभग 9 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे एक संदिग्ध उसी तरह के कपड़ों में और बताई गई हुलिया के मुताबिक का आदमी भागता हुआ खेतों में छुपा था और हम लोगों ने उसे पकड़ा, पूछताछ की। प्रथम दृष्टया थोड़ा सा डाउट हुआ तो लगा कि चूँकि बहुत ही संवेदनशील और गंभीर प्रकृति का केस है, कोई निर्दोष भी जेल न जाए। यद्यपि जिन परिस्थितियों में वो पकड़ा गया उस समय पब्लिक के लोग साथ थे, मीडिया के लोग साथ थे और सारे लोगों का ये विश्वास था कि जो पकड़ा गया व्यक्ति है यही वास्तविक अभियुक्त है। लेकिन हम लोगों को थोड़ा सा उसको लेके संशय हो रहा है, जो पूछताछ से उससे जानकारी मिली है। इसके अतिरिक्त हम अन्य सारी संभावनाएं, लड़की के मोबाइल फ़ोन से जो हमें जानकारी मिल पाई है, आसपास से इंटेलिजेंस कलेक्शन से जो जानकारी मिल पाई है, उन सारी संभावनाओं पर विचार करते हुए हमारी 6 टीमें लगातार रात दिन 24 आवर्स इसमें काम कर रही हैं।
The 16-year-old's death has raised questions on women's safety in and around this village. She had to travel regularly 6 to 7 kilometers by foot, by cycle or by an auto rickshaw that she takes from the highway there behind us to reach her destination regularly. The only educated person from her family, the girl aspired to be a teacher. Her mother has told us that she would often tell her family members that she would like to earn so much money that her father, who is a heart patient, did not need to ride a tempo again in his life. With her death, the aspirations of her mother and her father seem depleted. There is little hope for them as they cannot understand why would anybody do such a thing to their only daughter. She leaves behind her parents and 2 younger brothers, one 5 and one 11 years of age. With Manisha Mondal, this is Bismi Taskin reporting for The Print in Khirra village of Bulandshahr district of Uttar Pradesh.